Imagine a tire that could do it all. Take you to work and then on the weekend, take you exploring. Introducing the all-new Tramplr ST. The all-new Enduro on-road tire from Apollo. A shape of the road on its tread gives it street cred. Just like the graffiti-inspired sidewalls. Alternate large shoulder blocks help you lean like a champ. As the staggered central blocks offer balanced contact. Open transverse grooves ensure that you never get caught out in the wet. Adventures don't last forever, but with our life indicator, you'll know when to hang up those boots. Imagine a tire that can do it all. The all-new Apollo Tramplr ST.